Me, Sarifa, and today we are going to learn chapter 9, and that is our national symbol. So let's start. The symbols that represent the rich tradition and culture of our country are called what? National symbols. They are called national symbols. Represent our rich tradition and culture of our country. Our country, India, has some national symbols which represent our country in being of the sense of pride and patriotism in our heart. Let us read about them. What national symbols are there? We will read about them to bring pride and patriotism in our heart. Okay, so first one is the national flag. Now, our national flag is symbol of freedom and unity. Our national flag is a symbol of that we are freedom, unity. We are not in under of any country. Like when we were in under British, then there were British flag. There, the United Kingdom's flag was there. In our country, it had in Red Fort. There were Red Fort when British came. There were Red Fort, and in top of that there were Britishers flag, not Indian flag. There were English flag. Okay, like you saw the United Kingdom flag, right? Some blue color and some red and white, all that. This flag was not there in there. So it shows the symbol of freedom and unity. The tricolour flag was hoisted for the first time in Red Fort, Delhi on 15th August 1947 when India became independent. When India became independent in 1947, in 15th August, okay, in Red Fort, it was hosted, this flag. This flag was hosted. Okay. It was a proud moment to all Indians. All Indians were thinking proud. It was a proud moment that we are independent now. We can do anything now. After how many?
200 years.
200? My God, just believe 200 means 2 centuries.
I said after 2 years.
2 years or 200? What are you telling? Okay, let's move on. It marked the end of British rule in India and the beginning of a new era. Wow, like so much, like so independent. And the end of British, because British was very rude to us. Most of the Britishers were kind. Our national flag consists of 3 bands of different colors. They consist of 3 bands and different colors with different colors. Saffron, which is in the top. This is a saffron color which is in the top. It stands for courage and sacrifice. It stands for what? Courage. We have courage and we have sacrificed. The white in the middle, there is a middle. It stands for truth and prosperity. The truth we have, the prosperity we have. And the green in the bottom, this green in the bottom, it stands for prosperity. This also stands for what? Prosperity. In the middle of the white band, there is chakra. Here is a chakra. It's blue in color in 24 spokes. It has total 24 spokes. It is known as the Dharma Chakra, the wheel of the law. It's known as what? Wheel of the law. Nation's flag is of the great importance. We should remember certain points while hosting the national flag, such as while hosting the national flag, we should remember certain points. Please wait. So, what are the certain points? The certain points are. Okay. The national flag should be hosted when the saffron color is on the top. When the saffron color is on the top, it has to be hosted. Now, if the green color is in the top and the saffron color is in the down, will it be the proper flag? Will it be the proper flag? No, it will be the incorrect flag. First saffron, then white with the chakra in the middle, and then the green should be there. During the hosting national flag.
Ulta flag also, and if you do ulta flag, then you will get punished by the law.
Yeah, of course. Like if you do ulta.
Like if you
If you do like upside down flag.
and then hoist it.
During the hosting of national flag, all present persons should stand up to give due respect. Now, if everyone is standing up and I am not standing up, then what? I'm not standing up. Then what will happen? Then we are not First of all, we are not showing respect to our national symbol. This is our national flag. This is a national symbol. We are not showing respect,
So
right?
So when a Royal Bengal tiger comes, then also you must stand up.
What are you telling? Come on. Okay, the national flag should not be allowed to touch on the ground. It should not be allowed to touch on the ground. Because if it touches on the ground, it shows you are disrespecting the national flag.
So we do not do that.
The national flag should be flown from the sunrise to sunset. It should
After
be flown
sunset,
from
we must not
after
keep it,
sunset,
otherwise
we
we
will
will
not
be
keep it.
arrested.
Keep quiet now.
Yes, really we will be arrested.
I know. And everyone knows here, right? You are... Okay. Now we will go to the... One fact is there. The Indian national flag was flown from the space from 1984 with the commander Rakesh Sharma. Rakesh Sharma was the first man to go to the space from India, right? Indian national flag was flown from the space in 1984 by whom? The commander Rakesh Sharma.
And it was also left in the space. You know that?
Keep quiet. Please keep quiet now. Please. Let us study. The national emblem. This is also national symbol. The national emblem is seal of government in India. It's a seal of government in India. It has been taken from Ashok pillar at Sarnath near Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh. It is taken from our Ashokan pillar from Sarnath near the Varanasi in Uttar Pradesh. Okay. It can be seen on government documents, coins, notes, letters and envelopes. Everything from all the government, it can be seen from documents, coins, notes, letters and envelopes this time. But our national emblem has 4 lions facing on the 4 directions. But only 3 can be seen at a time. At a time only 3 can be seen. See, this one and this one. And in the back side there is also another tiger.
Not tiger, lion.
Sorry. sorry. It's lion. The base of the emblem has the wheel of horse and a bull. In the base, it has in the emblem, it has a wheel with a horse and a bull. See, this is a wheel and this is a horse and this is a bull. I think you can't see, but still though, just imagine. The horse stands for energy and speed. The horse stands for energy and speed, and the bull stands for the hard work. The bull stands for what? The hard work. And the words Satyameva Jayate, truth alone in truth, is written below the wheel. In below the wheel there is the Satyameva Jayate. Okay.
And what is the meaning of that?
Truth. Give me.
Just a minute.
What did you did? See, girl. What did she?
Wait a minute, please.
Okay, now we are going to the national anthem. Please wait. I am just changing the width. Okay, please wait. Okay. Now the national anthem of India is Jana Gana Mana. The national anthem of India is what? Jana Gana Mana. It is composed by Rabindranath Tagore in Bengal. In Bengal, it is composed by Rabindranath Tagore. Later on, Hindi version was created and adopted by India on 24th January 1950. It was written in Bengali version. It was written from Rabindranath Tagore, and later it had the Hindi version created and adopted by India on 24th of January 1950. Now, Jana Gana Mana was the first sung in 27 December 1911 at the Kolkata section in Indian National Congress. In Kolkata, it was sung in 27 December 1911 in Kolkata. It was sang on the national festivals like Independence Day, Republic Day, and on other important functions. The sportspersons sing very proudly when they got medals on international events. Now, on international events, if think that I won from Sweden and from British, I won. Just think that India won. Then the national anthem will be sung. Okay, from India, the national anthem will be sung. Okay. Now, please wait once. Now, national bird. The peacock is the national bird of India. What is the national bird of India? Peacock. It has important place in Indian art and culture.
You cannot kill
It
a
is
peacock.
a symbol of beauty, grace, and joy. It is a symbol of
cannot kill a
so
peacock.
beautiful,
This is a
grace, and a joy.
If you kill a peacock, you will be arrested by the police.
Okay, very good. The tiger is the national animal of India. The tiger is the national animal of India. It is known for its bravery and strength. And unfortunately, the tigers are being hunted and killed. The tigers are being hunted and killed. To protect the tiger, the environment program called Project Tiger was started in there. There were many tigers reserved in the country, like the Sundarbans. In Sundarbans, there were preserved and all.
One place where lion can be found, and that is the Gir Forest in Gujarat.
Yeah, it is deficient in India.
Lion is found mostly in Africa.
In Asia, only in one place only it is found. India, Gir Forest. The lotus is our national flower. It is an aquatic plant with white floating leaves. It symbolizes divinity, fertility, wealth, knowledge, and eligibility. Keep quiet. Besides, Vande Mataram is our national song. It is written by Banking Chandra Chattopadhyay. And mango is our national fruit.
You must always.
And banyan is our national tree. And king cobra is our national reptile. Now, all these symbols show that our country is vast and beautiful. They make us proud. They feel us proud, and our duty is to respect them. Wow, so cool, king cobra. Okay, so this was our video, and thank you for watching. Bye. And a special announcement is can you guess? Learn with Safari and Sarifa got how many subscribers? 10 subs and 10 students, first of all.
Yeah, so we are very proud of ourselves, and a special video is coming for all of you.
All of the students. It's so my god. And if you want the next reward, we will take this little goals. We will just set some little goals, and you will get rewarded. My god.
So, if you gain more 9 subscribers, there is already 11 subscribers. If you gain more 9 subscribers, then we will give you another reward.
That is more videos and more learning videos and more fun. With more learning videos.
And I have a special announcement to conduct, and that is our channel is having, means we are a team that is protruding. So our channel is actually having almost like we are having 5 channels. Okay, So our 5 channels name is, one is Learn with Safai and Sarifa. Another name is Travel with Alina. Another name is Paranormal Activities with Benji. Another name is Rihi and Rahi Gamer. And the 5th one is Anji Shisha and Rico. So do subscribe to their channels, and the links which are, I'll tell you where the links are present. You just go to our channel and then you go to channels, okay? You will see a section called channels, home, videos, playlist, community, channels, okay? After that, so in the channels you click and you will see the list of all the channels. Do subscribe to all of them. The Angie, Shisha and Rico provides you comedy videos. Travel with Anna provides you traveling videos and gains more knowledge. Paranormal Activities with Benji is full of paranormality and provides you with haunted videos. And Learn with Safari and Sarifa provides you with studies videos, helps you in your studies, okay? And Rihi and Rai Gamer provides you nice games to play. So just go and subscribe to all of them. Thank you. Goodbye.